Okay, regardless of what you may have been taught, there is only one reason to advertise in life insurance, and that is to generate leads. Whether you're a new or seasoned veteran to the life insurance business, I'd like to tell you about a new way to generate truly fresh leads. And if this is done right, better leads, more appointments, more apps, and ultimately, more sales are just some of the byproducts of this approach. Here's what I mean. Right now, there are hundreds of other life insurance agents in your local area, and all of those agents are using the same old methods to generate subpar leads. These common methods end up with you, the agent, suffering the consequences of too many no-shows, too many prospects losing interest, and too many cases of "I already bought" syndrome. You know the techniques. They tend to be worn out in today's business world. Wouldn't you agree? Worn out meaning your competitors are doing the same thing, making each of these strategies less effective and higher in cost. This makes personal marketing for your business a gambling game for you, the agent, in which you just have to be at the right place at the right time in order for your prospects and past clients to pick you. Now, there is nothing wrong with this path. It's just a costly and frustrating way to do business, isn't it? Currently, it may seem like you only have two choices. You either do the marketing yourself, which takes a lot of time and still a lot of money as you navigate through the endless puzzle of figuring out the lead generation game, or you can pay someone to send you the business, which, may I say, usually ends up with those vendors pocketing a huge chunk of your profits. But it's okay, and I want you to feel comfortable, because here's what I would do instead. Instead of paying for the same mailing services or making endless calls to the same prospects your competitors are calling, imagine getting your name out to a targeted audience in such a way that gets them sending you their information right away. Not in a week, not in a month, right away. In other words, market your business to potential customers in the most responsive way, without any intrusive mailing or bogus TV ads that every other agent is serving your same prospects. How much easier would your life be? Think about this. What if you could market your business using a method that will get prospects coming to you? This ensures that you don't become a commodity in your customers' eyes. With our targeted lead generating method, instead, you are positioned in the best light without the use of ineffective methods of old. So, when you sign up now, these future clients and repeat customers can start seeing your message strategically placed within a platform that is almost guaranteed to get quality and real-time responses. Because immediate responses create perceived relationships with your future customers, which means more sales. We utilize the Facebook platform, but with a new twist to get your service in front of your prospects in a way that drives conversions. And those leads are sent to you immediately, making your chances of getting an appointment 57% more likely. Imagine improving your closing ratio by 57%. What will this mean for you? Think about it. Can you start working less hours while making more sales? Can you spend more time with the ones you love? Will you be able to run your business instead of your business running you? Doesn't it just make sense to be the one who stands out from the crowd? Here's how we do this for you. We make an effective ad for your business, an ad that markets you. This ad will be seen daily or weekly by a laser-targeted segment of your local market. We take this group and market to them in an under-the-radar fashion, so they will be more likely to not only click on your ad, but also engage with your business. You can compare this to having a marketing assistant 24/7. Don't leave your client getting efforts to chance. Instead, make those prospects reach out to you because they are ready to buy now. So, there's no work on your part and you can relax while we manage the marketing for you, effectively target the right audience, and offer hand-holding support so you can put your efforts on what you do best, which is closing more deals. Questions? Reach back out to us for a live demo as soon as possible, as we are working with a limited number of agents per area.